Hello my friend, as you see, we enter the day layer. We put the stop, as I told you, in the same place where we put it every time. Put it here, and now we bring the calculatrix. Then we calculate it here. How many is the stop? Stop is 3.45. We write it here 3.45. Double by 3 or multiple by 3, sorry. To give us 7. 10:40, 10:32. You see. Now I want to just enter it now. Live to you. Wait to get my tool to explain it to you. Sorry for the delay, but as you see, that's my real account. Nothing hiding, because someone told me, are you hiding that place? So I'm gonna show it to you here. As you see, here it's cross. We got that cross. So wait, my tool again. I'm sorry for the delayed. There it is. Crash again. That laptop is going to make me mad those days. Anyway, let's wait and see. Sorry. There it is. As you see here, in that place the cross, and here the RSI cross, the 55 as I told you. Cross here. Once we enter in that one, because me I put a target in the top of that candle. So when it triggers, I put the stop and I put over there as a buy stop. And as you see, the stop here, multiple by 3. That means the number of stop you doing depend on your language, X multiple by 3. And you see is my original account. There is nothing to hide there, because some people they just hide it there, they put something there. Me, as I show you, everything is original and it's live. That's real money, nothing hiding here. Here we will lose $10. Here take profit. Let's write it for you. Take profit, and here is it, the stop. As you see, I think everything is clear. For the video, don't be too long, my friend. See you in another part. Anything happen new, I will put it to you. Bye bye for now. As you see, my friend, the 1 hour candle is finished, and it gives us that candle here. You saw it. It's a hammer, engulfing candle, not engulfing, sorry. It's a hammer. There is a lot of names for it, but me I don't care. Here in that support here. And the hammer, it's always be like that. for the painting of me. And when it came like that, the tail more than 50% of the body, and as I showed you before, that is the body, that is the tail or the shadow. I call it the tail. The price is going to make a correction like that, then it's going to go up. But us, we don't care. That's our trading, that's our style. Because we got that one here, the cross, and we got that cross here, as you see it, and we set our stop here in the place where we set it, and the target we put it up. So I think everything is very clear here. Let me to zoom it for you to see it. As you see it here, that candle, sorry, this is the candle, and that it's my live account, not a demo as the majority of people they're teaching you here in that Udemy. They put in demo account, then they hide it, blah blah blah, or they put something here. That's my live account, and if you want to see it, so it move it like that. Yep, it's my live account, and that with real money. So I told you where we leave it here. Set that candle here, that one. It indicates that the price is going to make a correction, and that correction, for us to know it, there is a tool we use it, sorry, and as you see here, you came to that one, that Fibonacci retracement. You bring it from the down, the last point down, that one in our case. Is it that one? Sorry. In our case, is it that one? You see it? And the retracement is going to be till here. Sorry. Till between 50 and 60. Here. It's going to be till here, till that place. Let's take it off that Fibo for the picture to be clear. The retracement is going to be till here. And for you to know after the retracement where it's going to go, you just came here to the Fibo from the last one, from the last high to here, and the price is going to go to here, 161 here. I think everything is very clear. 161. You do like that. You bring here, put a line in it. You delve that one. Then you lower it. As you see it, it's going to be support or a resistance or something. As you see it here, that, where is that 161? Is the top of here, that day, see which day, 9 of month 3, 2020. That's how is forex work. It's going to be here, but me I put it here high, because me I don't care about the support or resistance or nothing. I think everything is very clear. I show you how to analyze live examples, but all that is just probability. We just try to guess in that market. It will not fall down. It might just stay here, because that 5 is a support. It is going to stay here and go back up. And as you see it now, as we're talking, M is still going up. So for that video, don't be very long. If anything happen, I will put it to you. See you soon, my friend. Bye bye for now. As you see, my friend, the market done what I told you in the analysis. It gives us that candle here, and the market drop down to that place here of 60 with 60 and 50 of Fable. I think I showed that to you previous video. So now the market is going to do like that and break that zone here and continue up, or it is going to break it down and hit our stop here. But also we don't care. That also how we trade. If you go to high time frame, it's going to 4 hours. Here you see a clear picture. See that candle here? The hammer or a doji or anything name it, but it's got a long tail like that and a small body. That means there is indecision, but our the candle, so it's here, but the 5 it's still in the top of 12. It's my direction still going up, but the price now is it in a highly support. So I think it's going to make a small correction here, maybe like that, or I don't know till when. Let's see it. Sorry. Now here, if you bring the Fable here, you bring it from here till here. So maybe the market is going to make a correction till that place here. Sorry, it's using. Sorry for that. Let me try to explain it to you live. Till here. It's delta in that one. And let's put like that. So it's made the market is going to make a correction till here in 4 hours. Till that place. And it's going to hit our stop. But also we don't care. That, as I told you every time, trading is a probability game. As you see it, and also we're talking, it's going to hit our stop. It's very near to it. And me, as I teach you before, when it's hitting your stop, you don't need to feel nothing. And as you see here, those ones, they are going to cross here, because in trading, majority of instructors, they teaching people online, they told them go to the high time frame. One thing, high time frame, the move it started in small time frame, then it's going to the high time frame. Yes, in the high time frame it's very easy to do analyze, but in the small time frames, the market when it move, then it flow it in the high time frames. I think everything is very clear here. As you see here, that the zone I told you. So, but not small time frames like 5 minutes to 1 minute. Those ones, no. I'm talking about 30 minutes till 1 hour. And now, my friend, for the video don't be too long. If anything happen, I will put it to you. See you soon. Bye bye for now. As you see, my friend, the deal is near to hit our stop. And that's how is it trading. Me, I don't hide nothing from you. I bought for you live trades. Some of them they're hitting the target, some of them they're hitting stop. It's like that if you want to be a trader. You need always to set a stop, to set a target, and to forget about it. Don't close it, don't do nothing. As you see here, it's near to hit my stop, but me I don't do any action. And I'm normal, because that's how is it trading. Sometimes it's going to hit the stop, and sometimes it's going to hit the take profit for you. So it's like that. Most important, don't get a margin call. You need to manage your risk and to stay long in this world. Never ever get a margin call. Not telling you I'm going to give you something that's working 100% or the holy grail or anything. Teach you how to trade, how to be profitable, how to make 60-70% of your capital a year. But there is nothing that's working 100%. If you want something working 100%, it's not here. Go put your money in the bank and they will give you interest rate for it. The only 100%. And now there is no interest rate, they will take it off. So as you see, my friend, we are so close here to hit our stop. And as I told you, when it's hitting your stop, don't get upset, and when it's hitting your target, don't get more confident. That it's trading. Nothing very complicated. As you see it on the here, I will close it. So see you in another video, my friend. Bye for now.